दक्षिण गोंयांतल्या धार्मिक मुर्तींच्या तोडफोड प्रकरणात संशयित फ्रांसिस पेरेराक 11 गुन्यांवांतल्या 9 गुन्यांव कबूल जाल्ल्या उपरांत मडगांव जिल्लो आनी सत्र न्यायालयान फ्रांसिसाक मुक्त केला। पुलीस ताच्या आड जाय तशे पुरावे सोदपाक असमर्थ थारिल्ल्यान पेरेराक मुक्त जाला म्हण गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षाचो मणियारो ट्राजानो डिमेलो उलयला। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Francis Pereira, who was identified as the only person who planned and executed the crime of desecration of many religious structures, idols of Sri Mahadeva, Sri Krishna temple, crosses. Now, they have been already acquitted in 5 cases. And just now, today, he has been acquitted in another 4 cases. Just now. And the judge's observations were unanimous of the opinion. The names are like Anuradha Andrade, Judge Pooja Sardesai, Judge Carlos Santana de Silva have come down so heavily on the shoddy investigation that they have stated that the police have taken no trouble to collect evidence to corroborate with the confessions made by the accused. Never bothered to collect witnesses, though there were no eyewitness. But yet, other evidences that could corroborate and pin down the accused, which has exposed the lethargic and haphazard manner of the investigation. Now, this has been a great concern to our party. If the investigation, out of 11 cases, 9 cases are already getting acquitted as of today, there is a lot for the police department to answer.